In this video, I will tell you the secret to becoming a design rockstar in 2024. No magic spells required, just a sprinkle of creativity, a dash of hard work, and perhaps a few cups of coffee.
I get racks on racks on racks, that's why I don't got time for 2 cents. I get text on text from the
Let's dive into the foundation. Practice. It might not be the flashy part, but just like any skill, mastering design takes time and dedication. Think of it like sculpting a masterpiece. The more you mold that creative clay, the stronger and more confident your skill become. Don't fret if your creation don't look perfect at first. Everyone starts somewhere, and even seasoned pros make mistakes, and what we call it, a happy accidents. Fuel your inspiration. Now speaking of pros, they didn't reach their mastery by staring at screen all day. Inspiration is a secret sauce. Explore the world around you. Feast your eyes on art galleries and quirky street murals. Connect with fellow designers. Dive into industry blogs, and for your own sake, street clear of those Pinterest black holes. They can swallow hours of your precious design time. And hey, speaking of time, let's talk about some essentials, tools, and software. Adobe Creative Cloud is like your design superhero toolkit, featuring Photoshop for image editing and manipulation, Illustrator for vector graphics, and InDesign for layouts. Canva is fantastic for beginners, but I know every graphic designer hates it, but it's good, offering user-friendly design tools. And don't forget about Figma for collaborative online design. It's like a virtual design studio, my friend. So play with it. Find your voice. Now here's the cool part. Graphic design is all about you. It's your canvas to express your unique style and perspective through visuals. Dare to experiment, break a few rules, and let your personality shine through. The design world craves diversity. So embrace your quirks and let what makes you stand out be your design superpower. I'm not saying that don't take inspiration. Take inspiration, but do it in your own style. I know it sounds dramatic, but it is what it is. So, moving to next point. Mastering the fundamentals. But before you unleash your inner design unicorn, metaphorically of course, in this video we are going to chat about the basics. Color theory, typography, layout. These are your essential tools, your design superpowers. Learning them might not be as thrilling as crafting the next mind-blowing logo. But trust me guys, they will protect you from everything. And believe me, you should learn the fundamentals first. Mastering the fundamentals are the very important tip for beginner designers. Crafting a killer portfolio. Your portfolio is your design resume. In upcoming videos, I will tell you how to create a killer portfolio. And I will showcase you mine too, but I don't have it yet. But whenever I get it, I will create the video how to create a killer portfolio, guys. Because portfolio is a best thing you can give to your client. It tells your design story, leave a lasting impression on potential clients or employers. It's the best thing. The journey continues. Becoming a pro graphic designer isn't a sprint, guys. It's a marathon. Expect bumps, moment of doubt, and project that might make you want to pull your hair out. But you have to be strong enough to handle that situation. We'll explore how to embrace the process. Celebrate your victories, big and small, it doesn't even matter. And never stop pushing yourself to be a better designer. So after this deep dive, are you ready to design your destiny? Grab your favorite design tool, fuel your creativity, and get out there. The world is eagerly awaiting your unique vision. So go make it happen. And hey, if you ever need a design buddy or want to showcase your fantastic work, drop me a comment down below. I'm always here for a chat. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all things design. And for even more inspiration and a sneak peek into my own design journey, You can follow me on Instagram at It's Zeus Graphix. Let's connect, share ideas, and build this amazing creative community together. And always remember, keep designing, keep creating, and never underestimate the power of your unique design voice. Until next time, guys, stay creative.